What's up YouTube? Let's check out the 10 best features of the BS6 TVS Jupiter Classic, which was just launched. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be notified for all new videos. The Jupiter was the first model to become the BS6 in the TVS lineup, and it is equipped with the TVS ETFI, which is Eco Thrust Fuel Injection Technology. The base model starts at 67,911 and goes upwards around 70,000. The BS6 Jupiter is powered by the same 110cc engine, which turns around 7.9 bhp at 7,500 rpm, and the torque is 8 Nm at 5,500 rpm, and this is mated to a CVT gearbox. The scooter comes with a TVS patented Eco meter with Eco and Power mode, when the engine is delivering the best fuel efficiency in the Eco mode. On the braking side, it gets the 130mm dual drum brakes for the base model, and for the disc variant, it is offered in the highest trim, which is the ZX trim, which is in front of us. The scooter comes with the tinted visor, a USB charger, and a storage space which is built in the front. It also comes with a choice of 3 colors, which is the Indie Blue New color and the Autumn Brown and Sunlight Ivory. The suspension details are carried forward, with the front being the telescopic suspension, and the rear gets an upgraded independent adjustable shock suspension, which is the spring-loaded unit. The scooter also gets the Smart X Connect Bluetooth connectivity system, and this one is the same as the one which is available in the TVS N-Torque 125, and this allows the rider to connect to both Android and iOS smartphone to access features like call notification, text, overall speeding alert, trip, and more. The semi-digital instrumentation console also has features like the digital fuel indicator, odometer, trip meter, service reminder, and helmet reminder. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Kevin signing off. Bye bye.